Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Durga Puja has just passed by. How has your Durga Puja been spent? We have spent it very well, and if you want to know how we spend our Durga Puja, it's already in our Chhoti Bangla blog. If you search Chhoti, you can see it there as well. Okay, now let's move on to the video. I think by now you have all recognized this plant. Yes, you have guessed it right. This is the curry leaf. Curry leaves are an unavoidable ingredient in Indian cooking as they add oodles of flavor and aroma in dishes. However, many complain that they cannot grow fresh curry leaves due to the space of constraints, especially in flats. But by looking at our curry plant, you can see that our pot is almost about 10 inches, and look how bushy is our curry plant. We have already uploaded many videos on curry leaf, but in this video we are going to tell you how you should take care of your curry leaf plant so you can get more leaves during winter. In case you are living in a cold area, you must understand that cold weather is not suited to grow curry leaves. During the winter season, the pots must be kept inside where there is enough warmth. But sometimes that's not possible. Like our curry leaf plant only stays at a rooftop garden. In that case, wrap the plants using a blanket or a plastic sheet when the temperature is dropping, like in the evening. And do not forget to remove the sheets in the morning to allow the plants to receive sunlight. Look, my mom is removing all the dead, damaged yellow leaves from the plant. Do you know sometimes these leaves lead to insect attack of the plant? So before winter, you should remove all the dead, damaged, old, brown leaves from your plant. And now the question is, why was she collecting them and what is she doing of them now? I think most of you already know it. My mom is trying to make a mulch out of it. Mulching helps your plant's soil to be warm. After all this mulching and after collecting all the dead damaged leaf, my mom is going to give some bioenzyme which is diluted with water in the foliage as well as the soil. I think after all this time you all know what is bioenzyme by now. In other words, it is an insecticide, pesticide, a source of plant nutrition, and lastly a soil booster. In one word, you can say it as a magical liquid for your plant. Now, we might all have a question about what fertilizers we should give which can help our plants get more leaves before winter, or what fertilizers to give before winter. Winter is a dormant period. It means that plants like to sleep that time. So huge amount of fertilizers does not help your plant at all. Instead, it hurts your plants. Simply, you can weekly give diluted rice water. Otherwise, there is another liquid fertilizer which is the vegetable peel fertilizer. And if you want before winter, you can give some organic kitchen waste compost. Otherwise, my mom also gives flower petal fertilizer, which is liquid. If you're interested, you can watch the playlist of Bioenzyme. And don't forget to make some Bioenzyme on your own as well. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.